Good evening, Narendra Reddy sir and DIET members, ELTA members. Today we are going to day 6 of our program conducted by ELTA Nalgonda and by DIET Nalgonda. The program is ICT tools in language teaching. So today our topic is about Flipgrid sir. So today our session is taken by Mr. Lingaswamy sir. He is working at ZPHS Andampet, which is in Marrigudam Mandal, sir. And he has completed his MA English and he has a Master of Education. And he is qualified in a SET, State Eligibility Test in Education, sir. And he has completed his training CELT at RIES Bangalore. And he has participated in the preparation of worksheets by SCRT. And today he is going to present about Flipgrid. And Flipgrid blog and Twitter feed both are same, sir. These are very useful in our classroom. And we can use Flipgrid to further classroom conversations by assigning questions as homework assignments and then continue the conversation in class the next day. We can ask the students to weigh in on a critical current event for a social studies or civics class, or we can use Flipgrid to students to post reviews of books, movies, or television shows. Consider using grid as a way to collect a range of students' responses on a single topic. And Flipgrid is a website that allows teachers to create grids to facilitate video discussions. Each grid is like a message board where teachers can pose questions called topics, and their students can post video responses that appear in a tiled grid display. And Flipgrid offers a worthy, flexible venue for teachers and students to communicate. Students can learn to articulate ideas with well-planned responses and consider alternate viewpoints as they listen to their peers' responses. It is very useful, sir. Now I invite Mr. Lingaswamy sir to take the session, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Venkateshwarlu sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Can you hear me?
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Welcome,
yes.
sir.
So
Yes,
thank
sir.
you, thank you,
Venkateshwar.
Thank you, Venkateshwarlu sir, for introducing me as well as my tool also. Yeah. Honorable President ELTA, Mr. Muhammad Abbas Ali, and General Secretary Mr. Balraju Konka, and the backbone of this online course, Mr. K. Narendra Reddy, and the pillars of this course, the mentors, and the breathe of this course. That means breathe here, participants. So, a very happy evening to all. And this is Lingaswamy. Yeah, can I share? Can I share my screen? Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Narendra, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you can share, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is Lingaswamy.
Yes, sir.
School Assistant English, and I'm working at ZPHS Antampet, Marrigudam Mandal, Nalgonda district. And here, before entering the session, I would like to ask you a question. Here in our school, as we know, there are listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, and writing skills. And among these 4 skills, so in which skill the students are afraid of? Among LSRW, which skill are students afraid of?
Speaking.
Yeah, you can use a chat box. Please use chat box and enter there.
Speaking, sir.
excuse me for this. Yes, why children are unable to speak? Why are they unable to speak, sir? So we need to encourage the children to speak. We need to encourage them to develop their speaking skills. But unfortunately, most of
Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
yes, yes,
Went into mute mode. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay, right. Right, right. Carry on, sir.
Yeah, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes,
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 sir.
your
Yes,
screen
sir.
is
Clear,
visible.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So we need to encourage the children in speaking skills. Most of the time, we are asking our children to write the notes, to write the exam, or to copy the notes. And they are getting less opportunity to speak in the classroom. So whenever we ask the children to speak, for example, when we start the class, so we ask some general questions. Then the children feel very happy to answer. And after answering, the student will be more interested. So in that way, we can encourage the children to speak a few words about a general thing. So here, even in this online classes also, children remain mere listeners and spectators of the classes only, and they're simply copying, and they are not at all getting an opportunity. They are not at all getting an opportunity to speak. So here, Google Classroom is there. Some other things also there. Okay, those tools are for to encourage the children to improve those skills. And I am going to introduce one more skill, one more tool, that is Flipgrid, and it is mainly focused on speaking skills. You can see here Flipgrid, and the caption empower every voice. So here every student gets chance to express himself. So we can ask them, and we ask them to express their ideas on that given topic, to express in a video mode. So this is Flipgrid. Let me tell you, as our Venkateshwarlu sir said, it's a website and it allows us to create grids. So here grids nothing but name of our community. That means name of a group. So we can name any that grid, and it allows us for video discussion. So a teacher poses a question and a student records a video and he uploads it, and next other students also will upload it them, and next the students can see other friends videos also, and they can comment them also. So like way, it is most of the time it circle around oral skills. So it is the need to develop the speaking skills among the students. So it is the need we use Flipgrid also. And let me tell you a few simple words that we can see in our Flipgrid. So here we can see grids. So grids are nothing but our group of learners. We can create a group. So grid is nothing but a group. It's a group of learners, and we can name our grid. We can, I named like a class 10 or class 9. We can also make like this, and we can ask the students to join, and there we can share. So next topics, what we share. So here we share the topics. Topics means, so they are nothing but we pose a question. We ask them to speak about a thing. So that is a topic. So they express their views on those topics. And next, responses. So responses means the responses which students express in video mode. And next, replies also there. Replies means here a student uploads a video of his opinion. So here next, the other students can watch the video and they can also compliment. And next, here guest mode is also there. You can see that means we can ask others also for a single time to enter. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So guest mode will be there, and next here a camera. So Flipgrid has its own camera to record their video, and it is better than our normal video camera. And Shorts will be there. Shorts is it is also a camera application, and it is built in the Flipgrid platform. It will be helpful to us. And next, let's have hands-on experience. First of all, we need to go to Google browser and type www.flipgrid.com. So when you click this, so this page will appear. So this is for, here you can see, enter a join code. Can you see the screen, sir? Sir, can you see the screen?
Yes, 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 sir.
Yeah, this is the important page, sir. So here, enter a join code. So we provide a code to our students, and they will enter with the help of that code. And here, first time we have to sign up, sir. So with this, here we have to click here. And next, once we sign up, next time we can log in with here. So now we click this one. So yeah, this is the dashboard. You can see here. So it is already created like this. So when we newly, so I opened first one, sir. Just a minute. I log out and I will come again. Yeah. So when we want to sign up, so it is asked like this. We are educators. So here we can log in with or sign up with Google or Microsoft. So next, when we click this one, it asks our mail, and with that mail we can enter that one. You can see. Yeah, so it appears like this. So we can use our account. So this is the dashboard. We can see here Flipgrid, and here discussion, discovery, activity, and mixtapes, shorts, grid pulse. These are the main things you can see here. And next, first we have to create a group. First of all, first thing, after logging in, after signing in, we have to do, first we have to create a group. So here we can name a group. So for example, class 8. So here you can see join code, and we should share this code to our students, those who we want to join. So here we can change this one also uh, for our convenience. So I can type JPHS and next yes. So 8th class. For that I have given. So for next you can see here student email. So if we share this, student has to join with their own email. To make it easy, we give student username. You can please observe the difference between student email and student username. There is a lot of difference in using. Students may find difficulty in giving this, but we are clicking this one. You can see here, and next. Yeah, you can see here, add your students. We can add our students to this group. So 8th class, I am adding my 8th class students here. So we have to give the name. Suppose Rajesh. Okay. So here the name of the student is written. And next username, this is important. So simple, it should be made in a simple manner. So I am simply I am writing his name only, Rajesh. It's enough. It's enough. When the student asks us, sir, here they are asking username, sir. Simply we can ask them, sir, just you enter the name. It will enough. It will enough. And here I added one student. And next time, yeah, here I added. And we can see, you see here Rajesh K and Rajesh. Username is Rajesh. When he wanted to join, so there you have seen the join code. After entering the join code, they ask username. Then the student has to enter this name, Rajesh. And it's enough. He will enter our Flipgrid, our specific grid. Here we named that grid 8th class. And I'm adding one more name. We give username just simply as their name only. We add. And next. Adding. So here you can see likewise we can add a number of students on our own. And next here guest password, it is optional. So here we have entered these names. They will join, they can join easily. And here a password will be optional. So when we click this, so, here let me tell you the difference. So difference between this one and this one. Here students, those who we name, no, they can enter directly, and the people who we did not enter here, they can simply join with entering this code. We can simply, yeah, here we have to follow a criteria. Here uppercase, lowercase, number, symbol. At least two, we have to satisfy at least two cases. So yeah, now your password meets the criteria. Next.
Show the password, sir. Click on
Yeah.
I symbol.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I I'll go back,
Okay.
sir, to show you.
Okay.
So you can see here code,
Yeah.
join code, ZPHS again 8888. That's only. And next, so group is created. You have seen group is created, and we can add a theme, whatever we want. So after doing this, next we'll go to, after creating group, you can see here, class 8. So here, and if we want to edit this, again, we can click here and we can go back here, and you see here, class, code, everything. We can edit it. We can enter the names and we can edit. Yeah, next, again, I'm going to discussion. So after creating group, then we share a topic. This is the one. So we can share a topic here. Yeah, topic, new topic, add a topic. Whatever the topic we can give. So here, there are a number of ready-made topics also there. I am going to discovery. So here you can see a number of topics are there. You can see here. You can type there, and a number of ready-made topics will be seen there. For example, I am typing best friend. They come. Yeah, you can see here now, best friend, my best friend, best friend. Here, number of ready-made topics are there. You can share. Otherwise, we can create our own new topic. So here, add a topic. So we are, when we click this, so we can create a topic. To encourage our children, we give simple topic. For example, here, best friend, we are title here. Here, title, only title. It should not be in a descriptive manner, because here the limit only 35 letters, limit only there. So we write here best friend. Next, here we can write out. So tell a few words. Tell a few words about your friend. This is the one. So here title is given, and little bit explanation regarding the title is given. Next, here one more significant feature of Flipgrid is the recording time. So how much time you are allotting to the students to record? There is a limit from 15 seconds to 10 minutes also. So we can give 1 minute time, or 45 minutes, 45 seconds, like this. If we give an important topic, we can give 2 minutes. It is ideal. The next, this one, language. And here video moderation means when you enable them, so first you see the video, and after that, if you want others also can see, then you can give them permission. And this one you can use, you can record your voice. Instead of giving the title, you can record your voice also with this, and student will feel very happy. And next, private and public. We should most of the time we have to choose private only. So here again, student email and student username. We can here enter the student email also. For example, Yeah, one email is there. For example, I can still remember our Balaraju sir's number. Balaraju Konka. Of course, he is a teacher. I am just typing the email for as a student. Balaraju Konka. Grade of. So when we after we have to enter next another one. Raju Sangyam @ gmail.com. Enter. So like this, we type the mail ID and we put enter. So then it will be like this. So most of the time we do this one. It will be better to make our students convenient. So we use this one, student username. So those will be recorded in this one. You see here like that. Earlier we have created adding to username. So I am just I'm writing. For example, Raju. Yes. And a simple username Raju. We click add button and here one student added. I'll add one more. Username. We can give a short name. Just we give Bhanu. No need of capital, simple. So I have entered 3 students' names and I have told about guest password also. It is not necessary every time. And this is the one. Next here. When we click this one, the topic will be created. So you can see here URL. We can share this with these things. I hope most of our teachers created Google Classroom, so we can share it in our Google Classroom.
ఆడన్నావు ఏంది కదా ఎంత బిజీ మరి.
Yeah, you can see here when you open the Google Classroom, choose class. So here, for example, 8th. That is for 8th, but here the 8th is not there. Just I'm sharing this one. So here we are inviting, just we are giving an assignment. Go. Then a little bit description we have to give. So here a title, again we write best friend. We give instruction. Tell about your best friend. In a few sentences. Yeah, you can see here code will be given there and assignment, and you can allot points also. Yeah, whatever how many points we want to give, that one it's okay. And you can put due date, no due date. You can mention time and date, and you can see topic, no topic, and next assign. Yeah, it was posted. It was posted to that particular class. We can close this one. And next, we can use other ways also. We can copy this, and we can use. We can go to WhatsApp, and we can share anywhere to our classroom. For example, is Bhanu Prakash sir will see here. Eight. We copied that URL and we pasted here, and student can join with the help of this URL, and after clicking this, there is a name, username is asked. The student has to enter username, and he can join the class. So this is it. Yeah, this one all set. So this is about discussion. So we have given, we have created a group. Just a minute, again, do that. Yeah, we have created a group. So here I have created 10th, 9th, and 8th classes. And after creating a group, we have posted a topic, and we shared those links to our children, and they will respond in a video mode, and they will upload here. So after recording that video, they will upload, and we can see here this activity. I have told you about the discovery, and here activity is there. So it shows the number of groups we created, and the number of topics we created, and the number of responses we got, and the number of videos created in a week. And next, so we can see here total views also. And here this is overview. This is regarding activity here, overview. Next, they encourage the Flipgrid app management encourages. So the number of topics and the number of groups we created, then they will name this one. You can see here this is in color. So by creating more and more topics and more groups, more topics, then it will be colorful, and it will be. So these are the ranks that we get. So I'm in the beginning. Next, so here you can see in the activity corner, recent activities. You can see here recent activities, what we did. So what happened recently. So here my students. So I made a trial version with my students, and they have responded. I have given here you can see here best friend, and here I have given a topic about village and about school also. These are the things. For example, best friend, you can see here. Video will appear like this. Can you hear the voice? Can you hear
Yes,
the
sir.
voice?
Yes,
Sir?
yes, sir. Good, sir.
Yeah, can you hear this one?
Yeah,
my student's voice?
You just play, sir.
No, sir.
No, we can't hear you.
Voice is not there.
Yes. One video and next video. Okay,
No,
as you are not
no
here,
voice, sir. No voice, sir.
yes, as you are not able to hear there, I want to close this one. And so you have seen the video, at least you have seen. So here we created a group, and we have given a topic, and students responded like this. and the students, they can watch their friends' responses also, and they will be encouraged. They will be encouraged. So by watching those videos, they will be motivated. So here, and they can comment also. They can compliment also. They can give reply. So this way you can see here a number of views. This video viewed by 20 members, 36 like this. And next I'm going to back. Next you can see here an important one, mixtapes. So you can create, just I created one mixtape, funny, and you can create a mixtape. When you click this one, you can, we have to add a name and code, the description, all these things we have to enter. And we have to give a password protection also. So like this doing, we can create a mixtape. And here with the help of this, we can add any video from any of our topics by clicking on the mixtape icon and while viewing the video. And here we can go to the topic and select the videos using the box. And once you have added to your mixtape, you can visit the mixtape and change the order you wish for them to play in. Just click and drag and drop the response where you desire it to be. So it's to say simply, so it is the place where we can showcase a few selected or all the responses of our students at one place. This is useful for this. And I already told you this is a short. This is for educator. And here we can record a video. We can record a short video and we can post that one. And next feature, grid polls. So here you can see hidden and active, both you can see. So most of the time we prefer to do like this only. Here this is for, we can connect with our fellow educators and other teachers also around the world, not only a limited area, around the world we can connect by this doing active. But most of the time we limit ourselves only, and we can use this one also about grid poll. So this is about, sir, you can see here grade, subject, and search grid polls also is there. You can see here all. So I'm coming to that. Yeah. So this is what I did with Flipgrid, sir. So I did a drop, and there is an ocean to be done. So this is all I know about Flipgrid. So this is mainly focusing on oral skills. It will be helpful to motivate our children to speak and express themselves on a general topic, or we can give nowadays all these days they are watching video, for example. Suppose Nick which dear departed. So video came. So there after watching the video, we can ask the children, so how do you feel about the class, or express or describe those daughters of Abel Meriwether in a few words. Or Niku Ichicha is there. We can give a topic. Disability and obstacle to success. This is the topic. So here under description we can ask them: is disability an obstacle to get success? Express your views. So they have watched that class and they have watched the video and they have observed the things what Nick did, and they can express in a positive manner. So we can see. So what are the we can give a topic on the broadcasted video of that particular day also. Like that we can use, and we can ask questions most of the time we ask them to write, and here here is a chance to ask them to give a chance to them to express their views in oral manner by posting the video. So this is, sir, this is all about this, and there is a lot I already told you. There is a lot to do, and this is the thing I explored regarding Flipgrid, and I thank one and all by listening to me patiently. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to the entire ELTA team. Thank you, sir. This is it.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Lingaswamy, sir.
Yes, sir.
As you said, really a great presentation by you, and you have
Thank you,
cleared everything. So, as you said, that this is a best speaking tool. We can use this to enhance speaking skills among our students. And, to get perfection on this particular tool, we need to go and explore. And if we start working on this, we generally we get a lot of ideas, and we can use this tool in particularly in many ways, especially for speaking skills. And
Yes,
thank you everyone for your patience. And today you have took a lot of pain by attending 2 sessions, and really I was very thankful for you. I'm very thankful for you. And now I request any questions from the participants.
Lingaswamy sir,
sir.
first of all, let me congratulate you on a detailed presentation.
Thank you, sir.
So I
There is a lot to do,
have
sir.
I have 3 questions. Please note down these.
Sir.
First one, you have introduced 7 types of grid languages, no?
Yeah, words, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Out of these 7, which is an effective one to be used in the classroom? And the second one, and while creating group with the students, you have entered all the names one by one, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is there any chance to create a group with the whole class students at a time instead of one by one? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Next one, number 3. So can we adapt this method to a physical classroom by using a projector to make it an effective presentation for the students? So if possible, please give me a detailed explanation for these 3 questions.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure. Here, let me show you those. We'll go there. Yeah. So this is you asked
Yeah.
the first question here, sir. All are these are the features, sir. Features of Flipgrid. So here you asked the important thing is. So this is a creating group, sir, and this is posing a question, sir, and this is responses the students give, and next replies. So reply on the other responses and guest mode and camera, and so all are interlinked and all are important, sir. So here, which made it successful, I can tell you. So here, the number of responses make the grid successful, sir. So here, in a classroom also, when we say that is a good class, when children speak more, when children express more orally and literally. So this here you asked, all are important, but students' responses are so the success of that session depends upon students' responses, sir. And next, the second question you asked, sir, adding all at a time. So as far as I know, so we have to enter one by one, sir. It may not be possible, sir. It may not, according to my knowledge, it may not be possible. It may not be possible. And next, you are asking the third important question. Interesting. Physical classroom. Is it possible in physical classroom? Actually, so we are replacing. We are trying to replacing physical classroom. Here, for example, you just imagine physical classroom. We enter the class, and before starting our class, before starting our topic, we ask our children general questions. So to motivate them, we can say in our lesson plan, testing previous knowledge, or any other questions also we ask them. So there, as we don't have physical classroom now, we are using Flipgrid. At least replace that one. So we
I see.
ask physically. Children see our video. We ask them express your views about next disability. This is a video I record and I post it. And the children they watch my video and they record their video and they post other person. So in the classroom, we ask the children, one child stands up and he answers and he sits down. He tells a good answer, the other students will, wow, nice answer, they will clap. And if he says in a funny way, they will laugh. And like this, the compliment here we can say reply. And
Okay.
in that way, and other children also, one student give one answer, and next to other children, others. So you can see here video, and the other student watch this video. By watching this video, the other student get some more ideas. So by watching
Okay.
this, he can improve his video. So this is about this, sir. And one more, I would like to tell all the teachers one thing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, when you start learning, everything will be possible, sir. Regarding general things, sir, I would like to say, every knowledge is one step far from us, sir. Only one step far from us. When you start exploring, everything will possible, sir. So I am telling this to all my fraternity about this, sir. So you start, sir, just one step only. And here Google, it helps a lot. It helps a lot. Everything it explains. If you click that one, what happens? If you click that one, what that happens? Everything. There will be a guide. There will be a note. Everything explanation will be there, sir. Just interest to learn. It is needed, sir. It is needed from us. When you have interest, you can learn everything, sir. That is the thing. So I request all to start exploring and learn new things for the welfare of our students, for us also.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
Vishnu sir,
thank you very much, sir.
Vishnu
Okay,
sir, for your second question, actually it is one-time effort to enroll our students in the class.
I
So
see,
once
yes.
we enroll, so that won't be a problem every day, every time and every day. So in
I
some
see.
tools, generally there is a provision of exporting what is that Excel sheet.
I
So
see.
Excel sheet of total students we can export, but in this Flipgrid we don't have such provision. And
Okay.
for the third answer, so generally in our physical classrooms, our students will show some inhibitions to share their views,
Yeah, yeah,
to speak with us.
yeah.
So Flipgrid is a best tool and a best platform where they could share freely. So in the absence of teacher, so they could record their voice and they could freely speak and they'll share the things to their friends and their teachers.
Yeah, students
So
will
I
be fear
hope this
free
is the
to
best
share their
tool,
views. Yeah.
yeah, to make use of that. I think you have understood this. And thank you, Lingaswamy sir. Thank you for your great effort to introduce a tool for our teachers. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lingaswamy, sir. Thank you very much for your
Venkateshwarlu sir, I hope you can conclude now.
Okay, sir. Already you have told a vote of thanks. You have told how
No.
Lingaswamy sir
It is
taught
a
us.
formality.
Okay, sir. Good evening to all the teachers and our guest today, Lingaswamy sir. Sir, today your class is very nice, sir. We have learnt about a new tool today about Flipgrid, and we know the features of Flipgrid, how we can use in the class, how to create shorts and how to share shorts, and how to get the students' response, and how to record a video, and how to share it. And we know the features like grids, topics, responses, camera features, shorts, etc. And also we get the idea about mixtape icon in Flipgrid, sir. Sir, your class is very interesting and very useful, sir. Your way of telling is also very interesting, and we are very thankful to you on behalf of ELTA Nalgonda and DIET Nalgonda, sir. And also we are very thankful for conducting this session to our ELTA Nalgonda Balda sir Abbas Ali sir, and Dr. Narendra Reddy sir, Banu Prakash sir, and Manga Reddy sir. And also, we are very thankful to all the participants to make this program is successful, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Before concluding, I request Balaraj sir, sir, please decide tomorrow's session. Balaraj sir, are you there? Balaraj sir?
Is tomorrow for reserved day, na, sir?
Yeah, reserve day. Yeah, day after tomorrow. Whether
Day
to
after
continue in daytime or continue during evenings.
Is it problematic during evening?
No, not at all. I don't feel any problem. Any time is flexible for me.
Most of the teachers will be free at this time, no?
Sir, better to conduct evening only, sir, because we are going to school and there are so many
Yeah,
problems.
better suitable time, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. And I request everyone, please post your assignments in your respective groups so that so completion of assignments is mandatory. So please make a flip grid. Today's assignment is make a flip grid and share with your participants as well as your mentor. Thank you everyone. And so tomorrow we are going to conduct a practice session on this, and let us meet in our respective groups. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you.